Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And at the cover of the box you will find here another little white box in it, so just remove it like that here, and at the back of it you will find a SIM ejection tool. So just release it like that. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card here at the other side of the SIM tray. What is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. No? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs to SIM 1 of course. Insert it well, and this is how it should look like then. There's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. And as I've said, you can insert also a second SIM card, but don't wonder, the first SIM card will always jump out because it's not well fixed here at the SIM tray. So if you want to insert two SIM cards, always start with the second one first. So let's place here the second SIM at SIM 2. Press it well, so that's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card, it belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts, as you can see, they are on top. Okay, so let's insert now the first SIM card if you want to use two. So it's SIM 1 now. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at next time. Ciao.